There's always some idiot that comes around when you're trying to do work to slow you down. Why are you wearing a mask driving her in your car? It's upside down anyway. Lord have mercy.
Oh,
Randy's hair!
I only did it for you.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah. I've seen that before, you know. I've got it on tape.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
All right. Well, cut it out of your video then.
Oh, no, I'm going to do it twice because then people go, is he losing it? Is he losing it?
I've already lost it.
Yeah. Hey, it's Dave from the Redneck Garage. I'm out here and it is hot, 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 freaking hot. Really hot. Yeah. They even agree over there, let me tell you. Hey, it's Dave from the Redneck Garage. Hey, it's... All that non-GMO food's got to me. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's going on with you today?
I was at Anita Cochran's house. Pretty much just got back from there trying to...
Yawning does not make exciting video. I'm just telling you.
Yeah.
Don't, no. Hurry up. It's gonna rain again. Randy's here!
What about it?
What are you doing?
Coming over to see if you made any progress.
Heck yeah, what does that shirt say? Concert and Induction Ceremony, Musicians Hall of Fame and Museum. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, Steve Warner. Yeah. You ever met him?
Me?
Yeah. Owen Bradley, Billy Sherrill, Bobby. That's great. They did it after they're dead. Posthumously, which means after funny. Isn't that what that means? After funny, something like that? Huh?
Yeah.
I like that shirt. Did you go to that?
I did. I was there.
Were you up on stage?
At times.
You know, that's nice. I love it.
I think that's the show that...
You're killing my time here. Show that what? Come on, hurry up! What? Hurry! Come on, Randy!
Well, there's two different guitar...
Alzheimer's sucks.
It does. Getting old sucks.
Well, we're done with this.
Yeah.
Over here. Stand over here. You can look at the cat.
I wonder who's meowing.
It's a cat.
I know that.
It's the kitty cat that was down in
the culvert?
Yeah, they took it. Okay, so here's a little story that you might find interesting. So here's a story you might find interesting. What? Stop it, Randy.
Take two.
Take two. Take three.
Take three.
Go ahead, do four.
Take four.
Man, I'm struggling. Okay, so here's a story you might find interesting. When I was younger, okay, go ahead, do it again. Take what?
Take five.
Okay, do it again.
Your little story. Take six.
All right, I'm struggling. I'm really struggling. When I was younger, radiators didn't look like that. They were all brass and metal, and they were all put together completely. This is a up story. Okay, do it again.
Keep it together now.
All right, I got it.
Take seven, your story.
Okay, I've lost it. Anyway, here's a funny story. When I was young, radiators weren't built like, nobody fixes radiators anymore. It's one of those things now that are kind of like me and you, Randy.
Disposable?
They're old and disposable. That's right. But let's get this radiator back in the truck after this amazingly great story.
It was.
It was great.
That was pretty fun.
I think so too. Serpentine belt, radiator. Probably could use some hoses.
Rock Auto.
No, we can't use Rock Auto.
Oh, okay. Why not?
I've got things in the works here.
Okay.
You can't.
Sorry.
We're dealing with advanced auto parts.
Advanced Auto Parts.
We don't know yet, though.
No.
They're supposed to be working out a deal with. So we gotta get. Hey, it's Dave from the Redneck Garage. Well, Merry Christmas. I'm burping. Sorry. Take 4, 5, 6. Oh, look at that mask. That's a sound meter. Nice.
A VU meter.
VU.
What's up, Doc?
That's Spanish or Swedish. Vuck you.
It's volume units.
Oh, volume units. Okay.
Yeah.
You'd know that because you're a sound man.
What?
You're set. Never mind. Randy's here!
You're not doing anything.
With COVID, we call him COVID Charlie. He hadn't done anything since COVID started.
That's true.
Shut up! He has not done a damn thing except ride his scooter around.
Yeah.
What else have you done? Weren't you out of town? He's doing an eBay thing. Oh no, you're not employed yet, so.
Nope.
Shh.
I went up to Paducah.
Be quiet.
I went to Paducah.
Paducah.
To visit George.
And my wife is going to make me dinner. Look at that. I'm not seeing any. All right, I'm going back to work. Y'all are just sitting there.
Yeah.